Do you still take attendance manually? But if I tell you with Edumagix, you can mark the whole class attendance in less than a minute. So first step will be open attendance module. From the home page, click on the attendance icon. Here you can see 4 smart options: college mark attendance, extra class attendance, and attendance reports. Start with daily attendance. Select mark attendance. Here you can choose date, class, section from the drop down buttons. Select the class and the section. Here you can see the list of the student. Now simply mark students as present, absent or leave. And the best part, just hit submit and the system saves everything automatically. If you want to mark attendance for extra classes, choose extra class attendance. The process is the same, just select the class date and mark attendance. Want to check which students are regular and who is missing classes? Click on attendance reports and you will get detailed record for any date range. Daily, weekly or monthly reports are ready in seconds. And that's how easy attendance become with Edumagix. Fast, smart and paperless. If you found this useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. In the next video, we will unlock another powerful features of Edumagix. So stay tuned.